Hey, in this video, I'm going to show you how to automate plugin parameters inside of Logic Pro X. Coming up. Welcome back, my name is Jack. Thanks for tuning into another video. It's my goal to help creative music makers make better music at home. This video is a little different because I'm normally in Ableton Live, but I had a subscriber request this video and topic specifically, so I wanted to make sure I followed through on that and helped him out. So if you use Logic, this video is for you, but we're going to be breaking down automation both on individual tracks and on the master tracks so you can automate plugins and take your productions to the next level. But without further ado, let's get into Logic Pro X. Alrighty, so here we are inside of Logic Pro, and I'm going to show you how to set up automation on an individual track and also on the master track. And that last one, the master track, that was kind of hard for me at first to figure out, so I'm wondering maybe some of you might have that same confusion, so I'm going to walk you through that. But I made a little track here to illustrate those points. First thing you want to do is you want to go ahead at the top left-hand corner and enable automation. This may be where you're hanging up, but once you have this set, it's going to be really clear and super easy, and I'm sure you'll figure it out. But from there, you want to pick the plugin that you want to automate. So I'm actually going to go ahead and add a plugin on this track, and I'm going to use iZotope Vinyl. I did a recent video about it. I think it's an awesome lo-fi plugin, but like I said, I had someone ask a question about this, so I'm going to use it as the demonstration for today. So right now, we're going to go ahead and pick the parameter we want to automate, and I'm going to try to use the spin down for this. So that's going to be right here. And the next thing you want to do once you have it on the track is go over to this drop-down menu and pick the plugin and then pick the parameter, and that's going to be spin down. So I'm going to go ahead and just double click on here to enable a point. This is going to allow us to pick on or off. So I'm going to go ahead and set an on point at the end of the track, just for a little effect. And if you want the automation to snap to the grid, I do for this circumstance, but if you maybe don't, you can right click and enable or disable snap automation. That helps a lot. So let's hear what we got. Hey, if you haven't yet subscribed, please do me a favor and drop down below, like, comment, and do hit subscribe with the bell notifications on to stay up to date on all my future uploads. Cool, so in that instance, it worked, sounded all right, but it's not affecting all of the tracks, it's only affecting that track that it's on. What you could do is you could put a vinyl on every single track, duplicate the automation or make it the same and have that overall effect. You know, for a 4-track session, that wouldn't be too hard, but if you've got 25, 30, 40, 50, 60 track session and you're really going in, you really don't want to do that simply just because it's not efficient, it takes time, and it's going to just totally unnecessarily tax your computer's processing power. It's just not necessary. So what I recommend, and it's kind of hidden, I'm not really crazy about why Logic did it this way, but if you go over to your stereo out track and you right click, you can click Show Output Track, which kind of gives you your master channel inside of your track list. So from there, you can go ahead and add vinyl, then go back to this drop-down, iZotope Vinyl, spin down. And like I said, this works with any plugin on any track. You just got to assign it to the track and then hit that drop-down menu once automation is turned on. So we'll go ahead and do the same thing here. And I'll match it up with this, zoom in some. And then I'm going to go ahead and remove the automation for this track because we won't be needing it anymore. All right, let's take a listen. Just to illustrate this point further, I'm going to go ahead and add a little volume automation just to show you that you can, in fact, do this with any parameter on any track. Let's hear how that sounds.
Awesome. Hope that helps.
Well, I hope you found that little tutorial helpful. If it was you that requested this video, thank you for the feedback and the suggestion. It really does help me a lot when you all are going in the comments and letting me know what kind of videos you'd like to see next. Like I said, I'm getting to a point where it's getting harder to think of content ideas. I've gone through my initial list of a bunch of video ideas, and any suggestions or feedback really does help. So if you got something on your mind, or if you have a lingering question, do let me know in the comments. I will happily get to that and maybe even make a video about it. So thank you for that. Likewise, I hope you stay home, stay healthy, and stay safe, and I will see you in the next upload. Peace!